Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels and to another Wheels video. This is a stunt car from Eachine. It's called EC10, EC10. I had not been planning to buy this. This was an impulse buy. I saw it on sale at Banggood for $9.99, but they had a group buy option for $7.99 plus 25 cents shipping. So shipped to my door, this was $8.24. We are talking about single-digit dollar numbers. That's amazing. This is a fully functional RC car, stunt car. Let's open it up and see if it is any good. And here are the contents. Very simple, very basic. We have the car, by the way, which is double-sided. One side is blue colored and the other side is red colored with the lines. I think some of these are going to light up. And it's supposed to be a stunt car because it can basically drive on both sides. You can hit the wall and it will flip over and then continue riding. Here is the controller. And you're going to need this handy little Phillips screwdriver to open up the controller. And it takes 3 AAA batteries. We have a USB charger. Well, what do you know? It looks like you need the screwdriver again to open up the hatch. I don't know why they did it this way, maybe because it may go through water, I'm not sure. And here is a very small battery. It says a lithium-ion. It's a small size lithium-ion 1-cell battery, 3.7 volts, and it's claiming to be 500 milliamp hours. So this version came with just one single battery, and I know there's another version that comes with 2 batteries, but this is the single battery version. And basically that's it. And here we have a colored instruction manual with illustrations in different languages. First language is in English. I mean, it's very basic, so there's not much to it. Let's charge up the battery and see how this performs. Charging is complete and this little stunt car is ready to be tested. The instruction says turn on the power on the car first and then on the controller. It's blinking. Do I have to do anything? Well, okay. It's already going and it's going fast. It's very quick. Alright, let's not fly it off the table. I think it should be fine. But let's see. This should be the front. Wow, whoa. Okay, these buttons are for rotating it, and it's all or nothing. And when it's turning, it's also going forward. And it's also all or nothing. Oh. Whoa. Very fast little car, and it flips on a dime. Look, I'm going and then do this, and then it. Whoa, really fast. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing, but doing something right. Come back, come back. How do I come back? All right. It hits somewhere and then flips and just, oh, it got stuck on the thread. All right, it's back to business. All or nothing. You go forward and then flip it. Oh wow, it even... The only thing is, it's very difficult to figure out which way is forward, which way is backward, because once it flips, the red light becomes... So right now, red light is forward, do you see, and blue is back. So let me flip it one time. Now, blue is forward, red is back. I mean, it is quick little thing. It's fun to play. I mean, I cannot stop playing with it. It is a little difficult to control though, because you know you have to pay attention to this. This is front. Once it flips, this is front. I wish the colors changed or they did the other way, or since this is so symmetrical, you know, on a split second you don't know which way it's facing. I wish there was some shape, maybe round in the front and flat on the back. That would have helped probably. But right now this is front, flips, this is front. So the lights don't mean anything. See, now it's the other way around. Oh, my lights. Whoa. Okay. I mean, for $8, this is amazing. This is amazing. It's not proportional control, so it's all or nothing on all controls, but hey, who cares? Oh, this is... Oh, I accidentally pressed, I think, the demo button, so... It's the demo button, so it's showing off. It's showing off its capability. Okay, let's stop it. Alright, stop. Well, how do I stop? Well, I pressed the other button and it stopped. And also, the instruction manual is very simple, but it comes... well written in multiple languages. So it's only like 1, 2, 3, 4 pages before it goes into the German. And here it explains this is lights on off. Okay, so I guess I pressed lights on and off. Does it turn it on and off? Alright. Yeah, it turns the lights on off. And this is the demo button. Don't press it if you're in very close quarters, so it's going to go crazy. Let's take it out and see if it goes on grass. The grass is nice and short and a little wet, so this should be able to go. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's going. Not as fast as indoors, but... And it can even flip. Look. Can it to the... Yeah. There's a lot of grass kind of losing its life over this. It was like a lawnmower. Let's see if it can climb this actually. I don't expect it to climb. Oh my god, it's climbing actually. Holy cow, that's strong. It's on just one single small battery. Why is it going? Alright, come up, come up. Oh, there was something. I think a rock, a piece of rock was like stuck between one of the wheels and it was just turning, although I was pushing it straight, so that was the reason. Yeah, you can give like little bursts and it will kind of go where you want to go, kind of like this. It's just very difficult to see which way it's going because I wish that they made... I may end up painting the front like yellow or something. I picked up something. But it's a ball to play. I mean, look. When did you have so much fun with $8? Seriously. And it is strong. I mean, it goes on that grass. I'm impressed for its little size. I wish they made it a little proportional, so that, you know, the turns are not like so abrupt and it will just differentially adjust. But of course the price would have been higher. But I like it for $8. Come on, you cannot go wrong. This is really good quality. Well done, Eachine. Well done. And the controller I like as well. Not one of those car controls. This is more like an airplane or helicopter controller. And it has the extra functionality, which is great. And let's do the demo again and see if it's going to be able to do it here.
So let's hit the demo button. Oh, went into grass. Good luck with you doing it in the grass. All right. I think the battery's getting low. So I have to, oh yeah. So you give control and then it will stop. Otherwise it's going to keep going. But hey, I like it and I recommend it. And I'm going to give this, let's see, the final verdict. I'm going to give this actually 4.5 wheels out of 5. I've been giving 4.5 a lot of things, but the reason I'm giving this is for the price of $8. If you can get it on sale, this is a fantastic deal. In my opinion, this is a fantastic deal. It's on sale less than $10. This is a fantastic deal. Anything above that, you can probably find something a little more sophisticated. This is just a really fun toy, especially for the kids. And I cannot imagine putting a couple of these in a room and then just bumping into each other. It will be a chaos. So 4.5 wheels out of 5. Very nice price, good quality. I wish the battery was easily removable. Instead of needing a screwdriver to take this cover off, it would have been so much better if there was an external port to connect or one of those easy to release covers. That would have been great. But other than that, the fun factor is huge on this one. And it's really unique. At least to my experience, it's very unique. And I decided to put my money where my mouth is and purchase 4 more of these little EC10 stunt cars. Why? Because one of them I'm going to give away at our 2000 subscriber giveaway. So stay tuned for that video and don't miss it. There'll be multiple prizes right before Christmas of 2021. The other 3 I'll be donating to the toy drive that is organized by Life Science Cares in the Boston area. So these will go to underprivileged kids who may not have the money to buy toys. And hopefully these will add some joy to their lives during the Christmas. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos coming on a regular basis. Stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye bye.